This is a clip on what chickens are afraid of.
The first thing that they are afraid of.
Boom!
Okay, they don't seem as afraid as that, but still.
Okay, maybe not. Okay, maybe not. Let's try that. Let's try something else. Okay, what else are chickens afraid of?
Let's see. I've never tried.
Wait. Let's get them back over here. Here, girls! Okay, let's see. What else are chickens afraid of?
A lighting dark.
They're not afraid of fire, obviously. Okay, maybe not. Oh, okay, whatever. Let's see. What else are chickens afraid of? Let's try something simpler. A little bit afraid of goggles, and not as much as we expected. Let's try something else.
1 second. Just throw it. Oh, don't. Oops. Bananas!
Okay, the banana does not seem to be affecting them very well. Okay.
Let's call them again.
Whoop. Let's try something different.
Comb!
Brush! Okay, they're afraid of the brush. That's a positive one.
How about our father's inhaler?
That's not an inhaler. I don't know what that is.
Come on, girls! Chick. Chick.
Okay, maybe it is.
Inhaler!
They're afraid of an inhaler. Okay, let's try something else.
How about a chili?
Oh, the chili did something there. Okay, let's do the last but not harmless one at the same time. Let's get all our stuff over here. Okay, let's try this one. Soccer ball. Okay, we found the chicken's greatest fear, the soccer ball, not the banana.